In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set sell limit orders with Coinbase in a comprehensive 2025 guide. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting with cryptocurrency, understanding how to set a sell limit order can help you maximize your investment strategies and ensure you trade at prices you're comfortable with. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Coinbase app. If you're already a user, simply go ahead and sign in with your credentials. However, if you're new to Coinbase, you'll need to install the app first. You can find it on the App Store for Apple devices or the Play Store for Android. Once installed, you will need to sign up and set up your account. Be sure to use secure credentials to protect your financial information. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen, where you'll see 3 horizontal lines. This icon is commonly referred to as the hamburger menu, and by clicking it, you will open up a variety of options. From this menu, you will look for the option that says Advanced. Coinbase offers a streamlined trading experience, but this option will allow you to access more detailed trading features. After selecting Advanced, the next step is to click on Trade. This is where you can decide which cryptocurrency you want to focus on. Take a moment to consider the crypto asset you're interested in trading, as this will directly affect the strategy you employ. Once you've made your decision, go ahead and select that particular cryptocurrency. With your crypto selected, you'll tap on Sell. This indicates that you're planning to sell this particular cryptocurrency. Here's where you'll need to pay close attention, especially if you're aiming to execute a sell limit order. You must select the order type as limit. This is crucial, as choosing a regular sell order will immediately execute at the current market price, whereas a limit order allows you to set a specific price at which you want your crypto to be sold. After choosing a limit order, you need to enter your desired sell price. This is the price point at which you're willing to sell your cryptocurrency. It's a good idea to do some market analysis beforehand to set a realistic and strategic price. Subsequently, you'll need to enter the amount of the cryptocurrency you wish to sell. Carefully consider both the quantity and the portion of your holdings you're comfortable parting with. Lastly, the final step is straightforward. Once you're happy with your price and amount settings, click Sell to finalize your order. Your sell limit order will now be set, and Coinbase will execute this order once the market reaches the price you've specified. And there you have it, you've now set a sell limit order on Coinbase. Remember to monitor your orders and adjust your strategies as needed to make the most of your cryptocurrency trading. Thank you for joining me today, and happy trading!